podcast. Today we'll talk about how can you disable phone ID on your Amazon Alexa app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click here on more here. It's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on settings. So when you just click here on settings, so you come to this list here, then you click here on your profile and family here. So then you come to this list, just waiting to open with you. So then you go down, come here to phone ID, just click on it here. Then you come to this list, come here to phone ID here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color is gone, that's my phone ID. It's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.